how many more of these bushes we gotta trim, man?
I know, right? Because it's getting hot out here. Sorry.
Hey, what about them bushes over there?
Oh, they said just go in and trim the bush naked.
Naked?
Yeah.
I thought they said trim the bush in the strip.
No, they said trim the bush naked.
They said trim the bush in the strip.
They said trim the bush naked.
Strip.